Sebeyikhulu neshumi nesithupha abantu okutholakele ukuthi banegciwane iCorona. Lokhu kwenzeka nje uMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ubambe umhlangano namaqembu ezombusazwe alishumi nane eKapa ukuzobhunga ngamasu kanye nezinhlelo kahulumeni zokulwa naleli gciwane.
uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ubambe umhlangano nabaholi bamaqembu ezombusazwe eParliament ukuze azobachazela kabanzi ngezinhlelo zikahulumeni zokulwa nokubhebhetheka kweCoronavirus. Uthi bonke bavumelene ngokuthi kufanele kube nokusebenzisana emizamweni yokunqanda leli gciwane.
We agreed that regardless of our political persuasions, our political differences, all of us share a common desire to keep our people safe, but also to mitigate the impact of this virus on the lives of our people, yes, but also on our economy, and ensure that the inevitable disruption to the lives and livelihoods of all South Africans is reduced.
uMengameli uRamaphosa uthi kuningi okungenziwa izakhamuzi zakuleli ukusindisa labo abasengozini yokuthola leli gciwane. Uqhubeka uthi kumqoka kakhulu ukuqinisa ezokuxhumana zikahulumeni mayelana naleli gciwane. uMengameli wengeza ngokuthi asikho isidingo sokuthenga ngokuxhamazela ukudla kanye nezinye impahla ezisetshenziswa endlini.
It is important to understand that the supply of goods remains continuous in South Africa. Supply chains remain intact, and there is no need for stockpiling of any items. So there's really no need for anyone to rush to shopping centers to go and buy 1 million rolls of toilet paper, sanitizers. There is just no need for that.
Amanye amaqembu abonge uhulumeni ngokwanikeza ithuba lokwethula iziphakamiso zawo emizamweni yokulwa nalolu bhubhane.
This is going to require the best efforts of all South Africans to come together to fight this virus and the effects on our economy. It's not a time for anyone to be sitting back on their hands. The second appeal I'd like to make is to our fellow citizens out there to stop the panic buying. It is not necessary. We can beat this virus and we can get through this, but it's going to require all of us to be calm but deliberative in our approach.
We know that these corrupt elements still during funerals. They did so with President Mandela's funeral, they did so with Mama Winnie's funeral, and we don't want to see them taking advantage during this disaster, and we called upon the President to act decisively against anyone who will want to take advantage of this situation and steal from the poor of the poorest.
I think it is important that we understand that in South Africa we are more vulnerable because of our high numbers of HIV people as well as TB. And I think the most important matter for the future is how we can cooperate to prevent that we move from a state of disaster to a national state of emergency.
I also want to appeal to churches to pray for a solution. When churches pray, then God is able to intervene. So let's use the time that we have, even though less than 100 at a time, to pray for South Africa and to pray for the solution.
Izolo kuhlolwe izisebenzi zaseParliament kanye nabaholi bamaqembu ahlukene behlolelwa yona iCoronavirus.